Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create a can crusher machine using Creo PARAMETRIC. So let's get started. So first of all, let me just explain you how to download and access the part that I am sharing to you all. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, you can watch this and you can download and access the parts. And if you are like previously a subscriber or our member, so you will get to know how to download and assemble these parts. Okay, so you can skip this. So other guys, like yeah, if you want to access the parts, like you can see the 3D model link, like the same link will be available in this video description also, so you can directly click this. Okay, and like you have to enter the password for accessing the drive files. So the password will be available at the end of this particular bicycle video. So this video is pinned on our channel homepage. So once you join with 29 rupees of membership, you will access this particular video. At the last 5 seconds of this video, you can access the password. Okay, or once, like if you purchased your membership or like after that you will have some issues regarding the password, you can directly join our WhatsApp group. You can see here we have a WhatsApp group here, so you can join by using this link and you can ask your doubts over there also. Okay, so once you click this link, like you will see a password protected, like Google Forms will open. You have to enter the password, and once you submit, you will have a drive link like this. Okay, so here, like you see all the parts, like you can access with just 29 rupees of membership. So in this video we are going to like see about this can crusher machine. Okay, so like whatever parts you are downloading, don't enter into the file folder and don't try to download all these separate parts individually. Okay, so sometimes like the part is not getting not loaded, like if you click like this. Okay, so you better download the entire folder and you can use that. Okay, so yep, it is downloaded. Okay, so let me close this one, and now let's get into the Creo. Now I'm just going to open it. Let's go for the downloads, and here we have this can crusher machine zip file. Either you can unzip this. Okay, so some of the versions Creo, like it will access the zip file, but some of them didn't. You better extract all and you can use this. Okay, so here we go, the final assembly. Okay, you see this is the part that we are going to create right now. Okay, so now if you download this part, you can like access all these applications and mechanism everywhere. You can directly go for application, mechanism, and here you can go for mechanism analysis. You can directly click this end time as 100 and you can directly run this part. You don't want to mention any motors, you don't want to add any kind of values here. Okay, so directly access this part. Okay, and here in this notification bar itself, you can see like there is no missing model here, so everything is aligned in this part. Okay, so now in this video we are going to see how to assemble this particular can crusher machine using Creo PARAMETRIC, and later on like day 1, day 2, like tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will have a video on part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4 on other videos. Okay, and how I created all these parts. Okay, so let me just close this. Erase node displayed. Okay, so now let's create a new assembly. So let it be the same name. I don't want to mention a name over here, and definitely our unit. I'm going to CS this ABS. So now the first part that I'm going to assemble here is the base part as in a default position. Okay, now the second part that we are going to assemble here is the motor rod. Okay, so for this motor rod, like we have to drag like this. Directly we can go for pin mechanism itself. Let's go for pin, and we have to select this axis and we have to select this axis, and now we have to select this bottom face and we have to select this bottom face. So now it has got fully assembled. So now let's go for the next part. Okay, so the next part that we are going to assemble here is the piston rod. Okay, so make sure guys, like while assembling this piston rod, you will have two ends. One is this one and one is this one. So on one end we will have a chamfer cut on the edge, so that is the end where we are going to attach this one to the motor rod. Okay, let's go for the pin again. Okay, this axis and this axis. Okay, and then this bottom face and then this bottom face. Okay, so now you see it is got fully assembled. Make sure the chamfered part should be assembled here. Okay, on the other end it should be on with piston. Okay, So that's all. We have assembled one part, that's fine. Let's go for the other part with the next assembly joint. Okay, let it be assembly with the piston. So now let's assemble our final part. So that is going to be our piston. So for the piston, it will be like very simple. We can go for the cylinder itself. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so now you can see like this is assembled and positioned with the single axis movement. Okay, so now here we are going to assemble this one with this one. Okay, so now we can rotate this one for better understanding. Now let's go for the new set and let it be the same cylinder with, okay, sorry, I can't see the axis. Okay, we can select this axis also. Okay, so now you see this is fully aligned. Okay, so now let's close this and let's try with this manual drag option. Okay, now you see it is got fully aligned. Okay, so it won't scratch in any of these edges. Okay, so it is like fully calculated and done according with this values. Okay, so now the question is where we are going to add our servo motor. So definitely we are going to add it in here. So better we can rename the connection over there. So this is our motor rod. We can edit that, and this is not the connection one. So this is going to be the servo. Enter and click on OK. Now let's go for the applications mechanism and let's go for the servo motor, and I'm just going to add the servo motor on the servo connection that we have created right now. Okay, on the rotational axis under the servo. Okay, done. Now the profile details, angular velocity and the coefficient, like I need 30 degrees per second, or else you can increase if you want to like increase the speed. Okay, so now let's go for mechanism analysis and let's go for the end time to be 1000 and let's check whether the speed is good. Okay, like you see it is moving on the reverse direction. Let's go for the edit motor and we can flip it, and I just want to reduce the speed, so I'm just going to reduce the value to 10 degrees per second. Mechanism analysis, same 1000 and run it. So that's all guys, like you can see here, like we have done this one, and all these parts and the dimensions and everything will be released by day by tomorrow and day after tomorrow on all these days. Okay, so that's all guys. So thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay, so thank you guys. We'll see next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.